Hello guys, thanks for watching and thanks again to all my new and current subscribers. Today we're going to go really quick over the May 1st updates and a step-by-step guide on how to apply. So let's get started. Basically all you need right now are three things: your passport and visa if you need one, your certificate of vaccination, and insurance for $10,000. The requirement has been dropped from $20,000 to $10,000 now. And it's very simple. Now the Type's application website doesn't need for you to input all the information of your stay and the RT-PCR or the ATK on day 5. All you need right now is just to put those three pieces of information. Make sure that they are in one of the formats that they ask you, JPEG, PNG, but not PDF, because they still don't accept that. Very simple. You can also get your insurance like I did. I have taken it from AXA before and I did FWD right now, which is pretty cheap. So I'm going to go over right now and let's go and check on the website how to do this step by step. Here we are in the main page, selecting air travel. From here we just go scroll down so that we can see it in English. And these are all the requirements that you just went over with, and there's not only the three things that we talked about. So we select it in English. You can see them again here: passport, visa, certificate of vaccination, insurance 10,000. Here is where you can see the type of insurances that you can get. This is the one that I got here, FWD and AXA, the top two. Go to next. And you gotta accept these conditions. So pretty much you accept the whole quarantine scheme and what you are about to select. So confirm here. This is just pretty easy. The only information that they're asking you is what airport are you going to be arriving, dates, and the estimated date of departure. So let's go ahead and get this completed. Selecting Suvarnabhumi, just any flight number here for demonstration purposes. After this, you accept that they are going to keep your information, and just go ahead and input your personal information that is going to be showing on your Thai pass. Once your personal information is completed, now you can go ahead and select your type of passport. Here I'm selecting the ordinary passport. Just put in any passport number here so that we can show the next screen. Always ensure that you're in those three formats that they're asking you, because sometimes if you send the wrong one, then your Thai pass may get denied and then you have to do the process again. Once this is uploaded, we're going to go ahead and click next. In this screen, they're only asking you for the RT-PCR information. And this is just your certificate of vaccination. There's also another area now if you have a QR code that you can just submit that image as well. But in my case, here in America, we still got that vaccination card. So I'm just inputting the dates that I took my first vaccine, second vaccine, booster, and here I'm just uploading the vaccination card. Well, this is the same area where you can upload your certificate of vaccination or any other proof of vaccination that you have received in your country. So this is a screen where you're going to input your hotel information. It doesn't have to be anymore the SHA Plus or the alternative quarantine hotel. You haven't got a booking reservation, you can use that. Otherwise, just put the city, the province where you're going to be staying at, and the address for your hotel. And just a pretty simple process. Once you put the information here, you also have to complete below your address outside of Thailand, and then you can click on next to go to the next screen. And this is the area where you're going to send your insurance information. You can also buy it right from there. In this case, I already have my policy number. Like I showed you before, you can also purchase it right from the first screen. They give you a link. I used this time FWD. I used last time AXA. Both of them work. It was FWD a lot cheaper for me this time. So make sure that you upload your certificate of insurance. You're going to find there your policy number that I just put in there. Now again, here you're just certifying that you have that new requirement down from $20,000, so it's just now $10,000. And if there's any additional documents that you need, you can submit them there. In this case, I don't have any. I click on next. Review all your information prior to submitting just to make sure that it's all accurate and correct. And once you have done that, then you can just submit your application and you'll get a tracking number for your application and be receiving it in about, and should be receiving your Thai Pass in about 48 hours. So there you have it. It's a pretty simple application. I got my first Thai Pass in less than 48 hours. On the second one, because I'm making a side trip outside of Thailand in a couple of weeks, I got it also in about 48 hours. So right now it's not really taking that long, and it's a pretty simple application process. Hopefully pretty soon you won't have to be doing any of that. But as of right now, you just need to follow these simple steps so that you can get your Thai Pass approved. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to watch any more videos like this, or if you have any questions about Thailand in particular, I'm going to be going there for a couple of weeks. So just let me know for any reviews and recommendations, and I'll be glad to see you over there. Thanks again.